She's been Miss India. She has done lots of series. She's also been a bit of an activist, writing about things which are happening right now, current issues. So perhaps it's no surprise that the next logical step is to join politics. And what other party is best for Gul Panag but the Aam Aadmi Party? And she is going to be the candidate for Chandigarh. Of course, when the announcement was taking place in Chandigarh, it led to a lot of chaos with a lot of people scrambling with each other in order to get a glimpse of her. And so it's all set for a major fight between Gul Panag of the AAP party and of course the heavyweight contenders. It's likely to be Pawan Bansal from the Congress. Gul Panag, thank you for speaking to NDTV. Was it a difficult decision to join politics?
Well, the way they say, they complain about you if you don't, and they complain about you if they do. In my opinion, there comes a time in everyone's life where you have to take a decision of either sitting on the fence, sitting on the sidelines, or jumping in and trying to make a difference. And trying is the operative word here. Most importantly, I believe change comes as a result of those who show up. I've shown up, now it's your turn.
Now, you've been very vocal about women's issues. Now, I just want to ask you, because this has been part of headlines quite a lot. Some of your party colleagues now, Somnath Bharti, he's been indicted. He's been criticized for his raids against Ugandan women in Khirki village here in Delhi. And also your party leader, Arvind Kejriwal, has been criticized for certain comments that he made about rape. How would you respond to all of this as someone who has been quite vocal about women's issues?
I think it's difficult to cater and counter everything that goes on in a party as large as this. And when versions are probably not as accurate as one is led to believe. So I think it's best to concentrate on the work that's cut out for an individual, and that's what I intend to do. Focus on my campaign, focus on my constituency, and that's what I intend to do.
But don't you think that as a politician, you have to take a stand?
As a matter of fact, I haven't. There appears to be a thirst for change. There appears to be a sense of fatigue with the existing system. And I think everyone is looking for a change. And I believe this platform, this movement is that catalyst.
So, Gul Panag, thank you for speaking to us. I know that you have to go. And of course, just to add that the BJP has also given out a statement saying, pointing out, not letting anyone forget that Gul Panag had endorsed Narendra Modi for Prime Minister 2 years ago. But that's politics perhaps. Things keep changing. Gul Panag now with the Aam Aadmi Party. In fact, the candidate from Chandigarh speaking to us earlier. And that's it on Roadside Republic. We'll have more stories, bring you more reports from the road. That's it from me. Goodbye.